All right, welcome back, everybody. Got another short video for you guys. Basically, just been buttoning up all these tiny little things. Haven't been recording much of it, just trying to get it banged out. So, quickly here. So I showed you last time I had the oil feed in. The oil drain's all set up. I did get the oil lines run. We'll see how that works running down in through there. Might have to change some things up just a little bit. Did have to notch this bash bar just a little to get the intercooler to fit in there. It was a pretty tight, snug fit once I got everything in. Obviously my measurements were a little bit off on that. So what I've been working on today though is getting this exhaust run. As you can see, it runs down through there, comes out here, and a little exit exhaust. Right now I've got just a little vibrant, just a little teeny muffler on there, but I did put a V-band, and I also have this guy here, just a straight extension exhaust pipe. So I do need to come up with a tab or a hanger, but I think what I'm going to do is right behind that V-band there, weld one on here, and I should be able to bolt something right in here, just kind of hold that weight up a little bit there. So should turn out pretty good on that. So I haven't even seen how far out that comes past the bumper yet, but sure it should work out pretty good. We'll crawl under here, let you take a gander. Got room there, got room there. The only reason why I want to get it up on a hanger is it's kind of leaning against the pipe there, but if I lift it up, it pulls it out away from that. So well, yeah, it I guess it is, there's about a dime width in there, and then there's those oil lines going into the oil pan running up through there. These two fittings are for the AC, which I'm not gonna run for now. Don't even know if I'm gonna run it, so I'm gonna tie those up. I got to get the belt off the AC compressor. I'm gonna just pull that whole thing off for now. So I did get vacuum lines run for the wastegates. So now I just got to build dump tube for here, dump tube for this side, and I'm probably going to angle this one back this way and then just kind of 90 off of it and come straight down. And then this one I'll just 90 off and come straight down right where it's at. So yeah, I mean, it's I'm very close to having it wrapped up. I do just have to do, actually I got to get the power steering pump back in, get those lines hooked up, and besides that, everything else is all run on it. My garage is a freaking disaster. I usually clean it up before I go back to work, but since I'm not going back to work for a while, I haven't done much of that. I did show you guys in the video, the last video, where I had the oil filter. Once I made the adjustments on the intercooler, I had to move it back a little bit and then notch this. That spot doesn't work for that filter. I am gonna go, they do make smaller versions. They make one that's about an inch shorter than this. I'm gonna try and find that one, and that way it'll go in there no problem. I literally only need about 1/4 of an inch and it'll fit perfect. So got to go to the auto parts store, find that, but I have to go there and get oil anyways. I need oil, I need coolant, and I gotta check the battery. I got it sitting down here on concrete, so it's probably junk now. So I might need to get a new battery. Probably just pull one from the junkyard. Anyways, like I said, short video, just kind of showing some of my progress. I got to get all that exhaust, the downpipe welded up. I need to get that welded up on there. And once I have those all welded up, I'll get that hanger on for that. And then we should be good there. So anyways, appreciate you guys staying tuned. And if you liked the video, if you enjoyed the video, you know, give it a like. Give me some comments, some feedback. Positive, negative, told you guys before. I don't care. I accept it all. And keep being safe out there, everyone. And we'll see you in the next video.